Hello and welcome to my course on Data Science and Machine Learning for Beginners. I am Ankit Mistry and I will be your instructor in this course. I have been teaching on Udemy from last several years on various topics related to Python, Data Science, Machine Learning. And with me in this course, Vijay is going to join. So hello Vijay. Why Data Science, why Machine Learning and why Python suddenly now? So according to Harvard Business Review, data scientist is one of the sexiest job of 21st century. And popularity of Python has almost skyrocketed in last few years. So me and my friend Vijay, that's why created a brand new course on data science and machine learning for absolute beginner. So let's just have a look at the course content, what we are going to cover in the course. So this course I have divided into 4 different sections. First, we'll get started with installation and a data pre-processing part. Then there will be a whole range of algorithms which we are going to cover from theory and practicals, regression and all those classification algorithms like simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, SVM, dysentery, random forest. After that, we'll move towards neural network and a deep learning technology, where we are going to learn about the 3 fundamental neural network architecture like artificial neural network, convolution neural network and recurrent neural network. At the end of this course, there will be a great list of appendix I have added. So for those of you who just want to refresh their concept related to NumPy, Python, Pandas and a visualization library Matplotlib, they can just go through here. So this course contains 100 plus HD quality video having a 14 plus hours of video content. There is always question answer forum, so if you do not get anything, please write it into Q&A. Me and my friend Vijay will be there to help you. And at the end of the completion of this course, you will always get a certificate of completion which you can share on a different social media network. There is always 30 days money back guarantee, so nothing to lose at your side. So what are you waiting for? Just enroll today and start analyzing your data and build your first machine learning and a neural network based model. And I will see you inside the class.